Good evening, everyone. Welcome to the day-end market roundup for the Colombo Stock Exchange on August 20, 2025, brought to you by Sinfin Securities. The all-share price index closed at 20,714.80, marking a gain of 143.73 points, or 0.7%. Meanwhile, the S&P SL20 index ended the day at 6,105.00, up by 49.08 points, reflecting an increase of 0.81%. Overall, market sentiment remained positive, with broad-based buying interest providing strong support to both benchmarks. In today's market, the total market capitalization stood at 7,270.42 billion rupees. The total market turnover for the day was 11.14 billion rupees, reflecting healthy trading activity. Total crossings amounted to 7.26 billion rupees, with the highest crossings recorded in Hatton National Bank and HNB Finance. Domestic investors dominated market activity, with purchases amounting to 10,836.13 million rupees, representing 97% of total buying. Foreign investors contributed 305.57 million rupees, or 3% of total purchases. On the sales side, domestic investors recorded 9,741.22 million rupees, accounting for 87% of total sales, while foreign investors sold shares worth 1,400.48 million rupees, representing the remaining 13%. Now let's turn to the top gainers of the day. Amana Takaful Life led the advance, followed by Kerner House Global Solutions, which continued its upward trend. T Smallholder Factories also posted notable gains, reflecting steady buying interest. HNB Finance, non-voting, moved higher as activity picked up in the counter, while Jana Shakti Finance rounded out the list with a solid rise. Conversely, here are the top losers of the day. Standard Capital recorded the sharpest decline, followed by Colombo Fort Investments, which also moved lower. Lee Hedges came under selling pressure, while Mahaweli Coconut Plantation slipped into negative territory. Wasgadua Beach Resort also ended the session weaker, rounding off the list of today's main losers. Now let's look at the top positive contributors to the ASPI for the day. John Keells Holdings led the gains, providing the largest uplift to the index. Hatton National Bank and Sampath Bank added further support with steady advances, while Bukit Dara also contributed positively amid renewed interest. National Development Bank rounded out the list, helping to reinforce today's upward momentum in the market. Finally, let's take a look at the top negative contributors to the all-share price index for the day. LOLC Holdings led the declines and exerted the largest drag on the index, while Hamas Holdings and Royal Ceramics Lanka both fell and added further downward pressure. Central Finance Company also weighed on the index amid profit-taking, and Sankadagala Finance rounded off the list of key laggards. Together, these stocks tempered today's market gains. Thank you.